guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Yesterday, people requested my eyebrows because I did something special because I did soap brows. So today I'm going to show you how you can do the soap brows, this technique, and how you can do a very simple classic look with a little summer twist, because I don't wear any foundation today because it's so hot inside. So let's start. So to make soap brows, what you need is a clean spoolie or mascara brush, and you need a soap. I have this glycerin soap from, well, I don't really know, but I think it's from Muji. This one works amazing to make the soap brows, and also you need some water. So what you do is to just dampen the brush and then rub it into the soap a little bit, and then you apply it on your brows. So if you want these really feathery brows that I'm gonna make today, this is like the only way you can do it. No eyebrow gel in the world will make these kind of brows. So usually this is a technique you usually do on photo shoots and for fashion shows and stuff. And I've done it so many times before, but I've never like done it on myself, and which is really weird because I really love this technique. I love how the eyebrows turns out. You see here? And I mean, they get really stiff and they get glued onto your skin, but they get really feathery. So you can see that they are basically pointing straight up right now. And I'm gonna do the other brow. Then I'm gonna fill them in a little bit as well, so they look a little bit fuller, and so they work together with the makeup that I'm gonna do later. I already prepared a little bit with freckles because I'm gonna tell you guys that this is like the warmest summer we had in Sweden for, I don't think I've ever experienced a summer this warm ever in my life. And in Sweden we don't have air condition normally, so because it's never this hot. So inside it's like a nightmare to be, and usually I have a fan in here, but I cannot use it while I'm filming because it's really loud. So I'm sorry for my potentially sweaty face. The brows are soaped, and I'm gonna use the Infinity palette in the shade Fornax to fill in the rest. If you already have full brows, you can just leave them as they are because it looks really cool. But I still want a little bit more color to the brows. And I also dip my angled brush in water and then into the color to make it wet, and then it's easier to paint the hairs. And I mean, this technique has been has been around for some time now. I did not come up with this, but I really like it, and it's so easy. You just need a soap and a brush, and then like something to fill them in. They are so feathery. Look at this. It's crazy. I never thought my brows could look like this, really. And you feels like you got a facelift almost. So what else am I gonna do? I am thinking of a really simple look because it's too hot to wear something difficult right now. I'm gonna do a classic look with a winged liner and red lips. So I'm gonna use a star stamp liner from the Body Shop for my eyeliner, and I'm gonna start on the outer corner. I'm always following the lower shape of my eye when I'm doing winged liner. Like this, even if I'm starting a little lower, and then I'm gonna go from my eyelid and out. So for mascara, I'm gonna use Grand Volume Lash Curler from Isadora. I've been loving this mascara for a while. It gives a lot of volume and it's also really nice to mix it together with a waterproof mascara, like first applying a waterproof mascara and then this on top, then you will give like crazy lot of volume. So I'm using the angled brush again here to make a tight line. For lashes, I'm using the Ardell Wispies 113. I've been using these quite a lot lately because I think they are gorgeous, and you know, I kind of like spider leg lashes. I know people don't, but I do. I think it looks amazing and your eyes looks really big when you have them. So, oh, I got a little bit too much glue on that one. And I always put mascara on these. These are more sparse than the original Wispies Lash. Wispies Lashes. But I really like that. So I'm just gonna put these on and then I'm gonna go for some blush and some lips. I really love how these lashes look. I really need to go get some new ones because this is my last pair. For blush, I'm gonna use Ametrine, and Ametrine is, when you look at it, it looks very purple and you will think, why would I ever use this as a blush? But as a blush, this is like the most amazing shade and it gives a lot of glow and also SPF to your face. So if you're looking for like a cool toned blush and a cream blush, this one is perfect for you. I think it looks really nice. So that one is for blush, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of Infinity palette and Virgio as my highlight on my nose. A little bit of upper lip. I'm gonna use a brush for it. And my forehead and on my chin. For lips, I'm gonna use Anger Mood Crayon. It is a 100% vegan lip and eye pencil that I'm gonna use as to line my lips with, and then I'm gonna use Fantastick and Bullseye, the red one, on top to make it glossy and nice. I think that this makeup is done. It's a very easy makeup, like a very classic makeup in the summer version, because I skipped the foundation because it's too hot. And if you like, you can always powder certain parts of your face if you are very oily or really sweaty person like I am. So usually when I go out in this, I always bring a powder in my purse because otherwise I will melt away. I'm not sure if the soap is like safe for your skin underneath your brows. I mean, people, they're using soap and water in their entire life for washing their face. So I guess once in a while you can do it. Maybe not every day because it may dry out your skin. I really hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click like, thumbs up on this video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!